If I told you addiction is controlling your life right now, even if you have never touched drugs, will you believe me? We have talked about hacks like look maxing, fighting, accessories, and attitude on our channel. But today we are going to talk about a very important topic of this era. Because in today's world, addiction is at its peak. You may wonder addiction means only using social media, but that's not the only truth. Addiction is not in only one specific field. Addiction is everywhere. It doesn't matter if it's porn, masturbation, drugs, alcohol, gaming, or scrolling TikTok for 6 hours a night. You might think you're in control, but the truth is, you're not. Addiction is not just about weak willpower. It's not as simple as just stop doing it. It's deeper. It's wired into your brain's chemistry, your habits, and the way modern society is literally designed to keep you hooked. It doesn't matter what most YouTubers or influencers tell you about addiction. Half of it is just surface level self-help talk to farm views. Take an example of many self-help categories YouTubers that they tell in their videos, if you can control your addiction for 21 days, then you will be able to manage it. But who told them that if you can control your addiction for 21 days, then how is it even an addiction? Because addiction is that thing which you can't control for a single day. If you can control it, then why do you have to manage it? Those so-called YouTubers only show you the mountain from space and then drop you in the middle of the ocean, telling you that if you reach the mountain, you can survive. The only reason they tell you that is because they only show you the future. That if you do this for a specific time, then you can be able to do that. But the truth is, if you want to go in your future, then you have to live in your present. It means we are not telling you what changes will come after 21 days. Instead, we help you to manage the addiction in the present time. Now you choose. Do you only want to imagine a future which may change or may not? Or do you want to work with us and change the present, which you can? Before starting the video, I will tell you one thing. We are not going to give you fake motivation, but we will try to bond discipline inside you. But remember that managing addiction is very dark, hard, and feels impossible. But if you keep following our channel and work with us, you definitely can shape yourself into the version you used to dream about. So today we are breaking down the type of addictions and how to start escaping from it. So let's start the video. Every addiction, whether it's drugs, porn, social media, or gambling, comes down to dopamine. Dopamine is the brain chemical that motivates you, rewards you, and drives you toward pleasure. If you're wondering how dopamine starts rewarding your brain and when it becomes addiction, at first you do something like watching porn, hitting a vape, or scrolling Instagram, and your brain starts releasing a big spike of dopamine. For your information, dopamine is a chemical which makes you feel happy. But over time, your brain starts adjusting it. It lowers your natural dopamine baseline. That means normal life, like reading, working, or talking to friends, feels boring, dull, and almost painful. Now you crave that high, and you need that dopamine hit again. But the more you use, the less it satisfies you. That's why addiction escalates. You watch more extreme porn, drink more alcohol, spend more hours online. It's not about pleasure anymore. It's about escaping the pain of not having it. That's the vicious cycle of addiction. Porn addiction is one of the most common yet most denied addictions right now. YouTube self-help guys will tell you NoFap will make you glow up, woman will chase you, your life will change overnight. Truth, that's exaggerated. Porn literally hijacks your brain. You're not watching two people having sex. You're training your brain to need constant novelty. Every time you click a new video, your brain thinks it found a new mate. This kills real attraction. Guys can't perform in real relationships because they are used to pixel stimulation, not reality. Long-term erectile dysfunction, depression, social anxiety, and feeling like you're never satisfied. Waiting isn't about some magic 30-day streak. It's about rewriting your brain to enjoy real life again. And that's brutally hard because your brain will fight back with carvings and excuses. For reducing porn addiction and masturbation, don't go for long day challenges. If you do, your mind will always remember it. And the main reason of doing masturbation is remembering porn. Instead, take a challenge of NoFap for 1 day. Stop yourself for 1 day. Once you have the habit of stopping for a day, then go for 2 days, then 3 days. Never try to take a big step at once. Don't go for 1 year or 1 month NoFap challenges, which are impossible. Start blocking adult sites and videos that encourage you. Social media platforms like TikTok TikTok or Instagram are also like adult websites. Block them with site and app blockers and remove private access points. Start going to the gym, take cold showers, do hobbies, invest your time in knowledge that supports your future. Replace it with real dopamine. Before we jump into the addiction of drugs and alcohol, first let's look back at how it was started. Humans have been drinking alcohol for at least 7,000 to 9,000 years. In Mesopotamia and Egypt, people brewed beer and wine. It wasn't just for fun, it was religious, social, and sometimes safer than dirty water. But even back then, there are records of alcohol abuse, people drinking to the point of losing control, destroying families, and being punished by rulers. Basically, alcoholics existed thousands of years ago, so it's not only today's generation problem. Drugs and alcohol are the classic addictions. Everyone knows they are destructive. Drugs don't just release dopamine, they hijack your entire reward system. Your brain literally rewires itself to prioritize the drug above everything: family, friends, career, health. That's why people destroy their lives for it. It's not about wanting to get high, it's about not being able to function without it. Withdrawal isn't just feeling bad, it's hell, depression, anxiety, body pain, even seizures. That's why most people relapse. And here's what nobody on YouTube tells you: most people don't recover fully. It's not watch one video, get inspired, and you're clean. It's a lifelong battle. Some never escape. That's the real truth. Because it's not easy and it's a lifelong process, you have to seek professional help, rehab, therapy, medical detox. Also take the help of your family. Don't try to do it solo. Replace the ritual. Instead of drinking after stress, create new coping routines like exercise, writing, meditation. Avoid old and bad environment. Stay away from people who use drugs and alcohol. Stay instead with groups or friends who don't.